Welcome back to a riveting experience of reviews. This is a box. It contains many ratchets, 4 to be exact. Look at them. Golden, brass plated, platinum. It's a ratchet. You see how it works. Clip up, clip down. Simple as that. Check this little button out. Whoa. You like that? Releases it, gives it no friction. Hardly at all. It's almost like space ratchets. Whoa, nice. Yeah, that's nylon. Attached to that little ratchet. You know what I'm talking about. Hooks included. Yeah, you know it. Nylon fabric, nice and thin. Durable, 500-pound weight limit. What are you going to tie down? A silverback gorilla onto your car? Ergonomic box. I've never seen a box like that. Check out the planes. Wow. Get your random sheet, throw it on top. Throw a cinder block on your car. Or whatever you want. And put your little ratchet on. Carefully slide through the cinder block. This is an important piece of equipment that you're hauling around town. Wow. Complete. Throw it. Make a cut. Throw that in the car. Teleport to the other side. Throw it in the car. Shut the door. Magically appear inside. Hook it in. You're in. Now thread the needle, or rather the strap. Yes. Love it. Pull till little top. That's about good. Give it a little strappy pull right now. These are easy. I don't know why anyone else would be using regular rope at this point. Just be careful, don't bend the frame of your car if you're doing it this way. Also, I don't recommend hauling things on the roof of your car. However, I have done this. Put it back into the box, thread those straps into a little hole on the outside. Sidewinder does the rest. Ready, set, cut. And we're rolling. Check your material on the top or on the back. I've hauled my canoe and wrap it up, or rather wind it up. Winding, winding river, winding, wind that string up, that's a nylon band. Wow, value packed, $16. What could you possibly want? It's actually about 26.